everybody, this is Monisha from SPCA Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today we are discussing about the computer graphic applications. Welcome. Let's start today's our content. Introduction to computer graphics applications, entertainment industry, medical imaging, architecture visualization, education and conclusion. Introduction to computer graphics applications. Computer graphic applications are the computer programs that allows the users to create and manipulate the visual image on a computer. These applications are used in a wide range of industries including entertainment, advertising, education and engineering. This we will see in a later slides. The earliest computer graphic applications are simple drawing programs that allows the user to create a basic simple and lines, shapes and lines. Today, computer graphic applications are much more advanced and can stimulate the complex 3D environments and animations. This 3D environment and animations, we are seeing the cartoons and video games and all are the 3D graphics and animations examples. We will see about the entertainment industry. How the computer graphics are useful in the entertainment industry. This is the primary area where the computer graphics finds extensive uses, where we can create video games, movies and television shows really heavily on the real video games, movies and television shows highly on computer graphics to create the realistic and immersive environment. For example, what we are playing in a mobiles video games, they are all used from the computer graphics. Where the movies where the graphics the where we can create imaginary animals, birds, environment, backgrounds. These are useful in a computer graphics used in a movies and television shows where we can set up an backgrounds, stages and what are the images playing in the backgrounds, all are from the computer graphics, which can create a realistic and immersive environment. When we are seeing in a movies that animals that kills a man, that are the graphics which done in a movies, that seems to be a real but it's in a graphic images. Graphic engineers use it to 3D models, special effects and lightings. uh, Graphics engines use it to create 3D models, special effects and lightings. What we are using in movies, the lightings, VMs and VX are the examples for the lightings. Animations is another area where computer graphics plays a significant role. Animated movies are the well known nowadays. It's very popular animation movies and all. These are used by the creating by the computer graphics. Animated films and television shows are used computer graphics to create the lifelike characters and backgrounds. As I said previously, the animated movies, films, televisions are created using the computer graphics, which are like lifelike, as we are they are the characters creating, and the backgrounds as realistic. Application is in the medical imaging. Medical imaging, the as in computer graphics are found numerous application in the field of medicines. Medical imaging uses the computer graphing to create a 3D visualization of a human body. This is an X-ray. We can, in a simple words, we can call it as an X-ray. So this visualization can help in a diagnosis of disease, treatment planning, and a surgical process. This visualization uses to diagnose the what the disease caused, where the disease caused in a human body, and how we can treat it um, in a simplest way, and surgical procedures to do the surgeries and all. We need a virtualization of an visualization of a human body. For that all, computer graphics plays an important role. The computer graphic can also be used to stimulate the effect of drugs and medical devices on a human body. This also diagnose the effects of drugs. When we taken a medicine, how it is going to work in our body, this can also be detected by the computer graphics and medical devices on a human body. If anything is broken, any bone in broken in a body, we can implement the metallic metals in our body. We can observe that how the metal reacts with our body and how the body is reacting with the metal by diagnosing using the computer graphics. These are the main major important applications in a medical imaging medical field. Architecture visualization. This is another area where the computer graphics is extensively used, where the computer graphics can create 3D models of a building and other structures, which can aid in a visualization in design and stimulates how the building will look like in a different environment. If you are constructing in a building, we can go through with an architecture and engineers, whatever we can go through, but they will prepare a model. If a company is constructing a building, that they create a 3D model using the computer graphics. By that, the constructor or an engineer or a contractor can visualize the designs and potentials of the building, and how the building resists to the some other environment. And also the architectures, engineers and the contractors can use these models to identify the potential design issues before constructing. Before the construction, this computer graphic models will help the architecture, engineers and contractors to visualize the building, look how it is going to be look in a different environment, and how it will look after constructed, what is the design potential, how it will be look like in a future after constructing, and what is the potential of the constructing building also we can visualize through the computer graphics. Next, educational field. Educational field in computer graphics are increasingly being used in education to create interactive learning experiences. Like we are interactively, we can learn the concepts in a virtualized mode. It will understand us in a different way and in a well mannered way. Educational software and stimulations uses a computer graphic to create a 3D model and animations that aid in a visualizing the complex concepts. These computer graphics will help the students to understand the complex concepts in a easier manner, where it creates an 3D images of the concepts and the models of the concept, which will help the students to understand quickly the concepts, and no, it will help to remember the students in a well mannered way. The virtual and augmented realistic applications can also be used to create a immersive learning experiences. This virtual and augmented reality applications in nowadays there are so many apps, and apps are provided by the Google. Then these apps will provide the virtualized imaginations of an concept, which helps the students to remembering and understanding in a well mannered way. These are the applications in our educational field. Now let's move on towards the conclusion of today's concept. The computer graphic applications have revolutionized the way we created and interacted with the virtual content. From simple drawing program to advanced 3D modeling and advanced softwares. Animation software. These are the application offers a wide range of tools and capabilities for the users in a various industries. Applic- uh, Applications of computer graphics are revolutionary. It will evolve according to the generations, and it will create interact visual contents. It's a simple drawing. It's from the simple drawing to the 3D modeling, animation software. These are the much more applications, and we have the wide range of tools for creating the models and animations and drawings. This capability for the users in a various industries like entertainment industry, advertisement, building, architectures, education, medicines are the industries where we can use the most of the application tools of computer graphics. While applications are there in computer graphics, as agree, and there are the challenges associated with the using the computer graphic applications. There are some challenges are there in computer graphic applications also, but the benefits they offer for outweigh on any drawbacks. These the challenges are nothing in front of the benefits of the computer graphics. As the technology grows, continues to advance, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in this field. As the technology is growing from generation to generation nowadays, we can see the more advanced graphics, modeling, animations, and etc. in this development in this field. It would be exciting and interesting towards our generations as they are expecting from the computer graphics. Introduction to computer graphics applications. Computer graphics